What's up, dude?
Hi, I'm here from NoviSign,
Also known as the Dude.
also known as the Novi Dude.
Thank you, my alter ego.
Ready to watch? Let's rock!
So, what am I going to show you today? Wait and see. So, today I'm going to tell you about a media player by Rikomagic. This is called DS02. Okay, it's a very cool and robust and metallic media player. Let's unbox it. Oops. So, everything is coming out. There you go. DS02 by Rikomagic. Made of metal. Front, back. Comes with power supply. Nice remote control. These are the NoviSign colors. And HDMI cable. So a little bit about this media player. This one has a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 processor. It's actually RK32A88, which is a good one. This one has 2 GB RAM, which is nice. It also has 16 GB RAM, which is, I think it's a lot for a media player. So it's good. A nice bonus, it has dual band Wi-Fi. That means it can work either with Wi-Fi of 5 GHz and Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz, which is a nice bonus. It also has 4K screen resolution. And what do we see here? Here we have 2 USB ports. We have 1 OTG port. We have, and this one is a bonus, this one is a micro SIM card. It's actually a 4G SIM card, so you can actually use cellular data for this one. There's another model of DS02 which doesn't have this micro SIM slot. Also has a TF card slot, HDMI port of course, RJ45 for connecting Ethernet, and power. Okay, and this one can be controlled with this remote control. So it's a very nice one, recommended for digital signage. And another interesting bonus I must tell you about this particular box is that it has a built-in app that can turn on and turn off the unit. I mean, you can schedule the turning off and turning on of this unit, which is very good. It can come in handy in some cases. Also, this one comes with Android 7.1, which is also nice. So go get yours. This is Neil from NoviSign, signing out.